Welcome to our channel. Today we how to register with Answer the Public for content ideas and FAQs, full guide step. Visit the Answer the Public website. Once on the home page, locate the search bar in the center of the screen. Enter a keyword or topic relevant to your content. Click the search icon or press enter to initiate the search. Wait for the results to load. This may take a moment. After the results are displayed, explore the various visualizations presented. You will see a wheel of questions, prepositions, and comparisons related to your topic. Scroll down to view different sections, including questions starting with what, how, and why. Examine the data to identify popular queries and content ideas. To further analyze the results, download the data file if needed. If you want to register for full access, look for the Sign Up option on the site. Click on the Sign Up button, usually located at the top right corner. Fill in the required information, including your email address and a password. After filling out the form, agree to the terms and conditions to proceed. Submit the sign-up form. Check your email for a confirmation link to verify your account. Click the confirmation link to activate your Answer the Public account. Return to the website and log in with your new credentials. Once logged in, repeat the search process using your keywords to access expanded features. Explore the platform for additional tools and insights that can aid your content creation. Use Answer the Public to consistently generate fresh ideas and answer audience questions effectively. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Log out when you finish, especially on shared devices, to keep your account and payment information secure. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.